We're so happy you've discovered Way Basics. We believe in making home essentials easy, good for you, and good for our environment with our non-toxic, formaldehyde-free Z-Board paperboard. Say what? Paper? Is it strong? Is it going to hold? All these questions and some frequently asked questions will be answered in this quick video. At Way Basics, we use our patented Z-Board paperboard material to craft all of our products. Z-Board is made from paper, non-toxic, formaldehyde-free, VOC-free, and best of all, it's the world's easiest assembly ever. Before you start assembling, check your box for all included parts. If something is missing, contact us and we'll get it to you ASAP. Peel, stick, done. That's how easy Way Basics assembly really is. While removing the protected strip, be careful not to remove the entire adhesive. During assembly, the thin backer board is required. It keeps your unit structured. If the boards don't sit quite flush, sometimes all it takes is just to slam on the horizontal board. When you're done assembling your unit, make sure to use it right side up as shown. This is how the units get their strength and support. Use Way Basics in any dry room. This will secure the furniture's longevity. If you decide to move your unit, make sure to only lift from the bottom so the adhesive doesn't come loose. Don't forget to share a photo of your Way Basics unit with us when it's all set. Thanks for watching and enjoy!